Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here. Thank you to my buddy Taryn, who has become a crazy Spyderco fanatic. I always tell him, hey, this is something that's coming. This is a special one or whatever. But he's just really into Spyderco knives, and he's always kind enough to let me unbox his stuff and then send it to him. So thank you, Taryn. I appreciate that. He's a local buddy, which is what makes this so easy. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So, a lot of you guys know, and if you don't know, I will notify my viewers on Instagram or, well, both usually, here on YouTube as well, when there are exclusive models coming out. And I'll give everybody kind of a countdown and let everybody know, hey, this is the time that it's going to drop. You want to be ready, right? So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're trying to get your hands on some of the weird stuff, I do go out of my way to make sure. I mean, truth be told, they're affiliate links, right? So I benefit when you click on those links. But at the same time, you guys get the knives that some of you are getting the knives that you want, right? So anyways, this is a DLT trading exclusive, and I think a lot of you are probably fully aware of exactly what this is. Turning the exposure up a little bit. I thought this was cool. I've showed a bajillion PM2s on this channel. This is not a review. Basically, it's just show and tell. They decided to do, DLT normally does like red with satin, and they do M390, but this one came out of nowhere. It was a DLC coated PM2. God, that's beautiful. With OD green G10 and DLC coated S90V. That's nice. I'm normally not a DLC guy. So by the way, for whatever reason, Spyderco PM2s, this one's actually not bad. The DLC coated ones I've noticed tend to be a little bit tight. But this is actually pretty good. I think Taryn's favorite knife out of actually have his very first. I want to say this was his first Spyderco right here because I'm going to sharpen it for him. But he just fell in love with the PM2, and so he had seen, on Instagram that they were going to do this, and I thought this is right up your alley for sure. But this was a cool one, and as far as I know, DLT has a lot of interesting exclusives planned for the future, probably with Spyderco. I think these are neat, right? I mean, the exclusive stuff does not bother me at all. The sprint run stuff, I can understand why that bugs people, but the exclusive stuff, right? That's a way to get you to, they're a business. They want you to go shop there, right? It's cool when they do exclusive stuff like, hey, we do this special version of this knife. Come check out our website. And as many of you know, I'm a huge supporter of DLT trading. They push a lot of American products, and I think that's really good. So, if DLT trading is not on your current list of retailers, again, I have an affiliate program with that. I'm trying to make that as transparent as possible, right? I do have an affiliate program with them, and you can use my links down below to check them out. But they do stuff like this, and it's cool, right? I mean, if you're gonna, if you're looking for something weird and you like Spyderco, or you like Hinderer, or you like Medford, or you like what else do they do? They've got a whole bunch of cool stuff that they do, and then they carry a lot of a lot of the products, a lot of the American products that we're looking for anyway that are just regular production variants. But this is a cool PM2. Like I said, I'm not an OD green type of guy, but combined with the DLC, it actually looks really great. And the pocket, people always say, whenever I unbox a PM2, oh, tip down, that's not right. They come that way. The PM2s come that way. You just, it's not like you just watched me unbox this. I didn't have time to switch the pocket clip. If this is mine, I'd be switching the pocket clip, right? How does Taryn carry his? Ah, good boy. Tip up. You can carry your knives however you want, right? There's always somebody telling me like, why do you have it mounted for tip down? Because I just unboxed it and it came like that from the factory. This is a good looking knife. Not going to be for everybody. What were these? They're sold out now, but they were, I know people get mad at me. Like, why are you showing us stuff that we can't get? The idea is to let you guys know that DLT does stuff like this. So in the future, so that people are ready. I want you guys to be able to get the stuff that you want. These came in at $182. Pretty pricey, but it is S90V in DLC, right? 100 160 or so might have been a little bit better, but you know, it's like I always say, everything could be 20 bucks less expensive and bring me $20 more joy, make me $20 richer, right? This is cool. This was a cool exclusive, and I think it was around for a day or so before it finally sold out. So DLT is a good place to go for stuff like this. I don't know that there's really a whole lot more that I can say. Taryn, thanks so much for letting me show this on the channel. You will have this back very soon, my friend. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.